Hey there, fellow book enthusiasts. Ali here from Dabistan, and I've got an exciting new animated book review for you. Today, we're diving into the China Study, a groundbreaking exploration of nutrition, health, and the secrets of a plant-based diet. We have divided the book into 5 key ideas, so now have a look. Key Idea 1. The Power of Nutrition. Let's kick things off with a bang. The China Study teaches us that good nutrition is the key to staying healthy. Forget those magic pills, it's all about what you eat. Medicine has its place, but it can't solve everything. Despite spending more on healthcare, we're getting sicker. It's time to focus on what we put on our plates. Key Idea 2. Protein Puzzles. Now, let's talk protein. We don't need as much protein as we think to take on daily basis, and too much meat can be a problem. You'll be surprised to know that we need way less protein than we assume, only 48 grams daily. But don't worry, there are plenty of plant-based sources to keep us strong. Key Idea 3. The China Study Unveiled. Time to unveil the China Study itself. This massive research project in the 80s revealed the hidden link between diet and disease. With China's diverse diets as our canvas, researchers discovered how our food choices impact our health. Let's dive deeper. Key Idea 4. The Protein-Cancer Connection. Brace yourselves for this one. The China Study showed that diets high in animal-based proteins can drive cancer. Protein versus cancer. It's all about enzymes and foci. Lower protein intake reduces the risk of cancerous changes. Low protein means low enzyme activity in the body, in turn less chance of cancer. Plant proteins, on the other hand, are our friends. Key Idea 5. Go plant-based for a healthier you. The grand finale. Embracing a plant-based or vegan diet is the smartest move for a healthier body and mind. Plant-powered benefits. Whether it's reducing cancer risks, avoiding high medical costs, or just feeling better overall, plants are the way to go. Final summary, take action. So, what's our takeaway here? Actionable advice, step out of your comfort zone. Try a vegan restaurant for lunch. Challenge your taste buds and see how enjoyable and delicious this journey can be. That's a wrap for today's animated book review of the China Study. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Dabistan, and share this eye-opening knowledge with your fellow book lovers. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey through the world of nutrition and health. Until next time, keep reading and stay healthy.